Hey gang, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be reviewing the Born Pretty nail polishes, but before I do, I just really wanted to take a second to thank each and every single one of you for being here, for subscribing to the channel, and we are almost at 11K. Like, I cannot even believe that my YouTube has reached so many people, that you guys are so inspired by whatever I post, and just for being here overall. I also wanted to thank each and every one of you who said congratulations on my last video, and I also want to apologize for my absence for the past, I think that it's been 2 weeks. I also wanted to say a special thank you to Born Pretty. When I first opened Prestaholic, Born Pretty gel polishes were really the only gel polishes that I could afford. So they're super affordable. I was buying mine through Alibaba, but you can also get this on Amazon, and I will leave the link for this down below, as well as the name of this specific collection. So today we are going to be swatching all 6 polishes that came into this collection, and let's get right into it. So babes, editing Deja here. This is how the polishes came. I believe that they're 10 milliliter bottles, so a little bit bigger than the mini ones that you usually get in sets. Is usually like 8 milliliters. These are 10. And I will say that this collection really impressed me because all of the colors you will be able to use for more of like French sets. They're more natural, pinky nude colors. So the name of this 6-piece set is the Nude Jelly Gel Polish Set, and of course I'm going to leave the link to these down below. So starting off, you see that we have like a really clear pink color, and I do get a lot of questions on what colors do I recommend when doing like gel when doing like French sets or anything like that that needs like a natural color. Also, I want to apologize for having these long nails on. I actually did the set that I was wearing for the Nail Addict photo shoot campaign photos, so that's why I'm struggling in this in this video to even paint these nails. I also ended up doing 2 coats on each of these swatches just to show you guys that these polishes are easy to build up. If you need it more opaque, then you can definitely do a 3rd coat or a 4th coat even if you really needed it. But I was super impressed with this set, and I find that these kind of transparent neutral tone colors are very hard to come by. I will say that I wasn't impressed with this color. I just don't see myself using like these jelly colors when it comes to press-on nails. I will say that I maybe had like 2 customers in the past 2 years that asked for jelly nails, and they're just not something that sells. And I feel that it's not something that sells because it's so transparent that once the customer puts on the nail glue and tries to apply the press-on nail with that jelly nail, you are just going to see the glue. So it's just something that I don't recommend. But I mean, it was really the only color out of the 6 gel polishes that I just really wasn't crazy about. Also, guys, I believe that this set was around $10 is what I want to say, but I could be wrong. But you can also get them on AliExpress. I know in the beginning of the video I said Alibaba, but it's definitely AliExpress. And I believe that I used to pay around like $1.20 for each gel polish. Do keep in mind though that if you do decide to order the gel polishes on AliExpress, it will take probably like a month to get to you, but at that time I was definitely willing to wait if it meant saving money, and it was really the only gel polish that I could really afford, along with like Venalisa and things like that. But the colors are absolutely stunning. If you can get the set, I would recommend it, especially now that fall is here and everyone loves their French nails. So you could definitely use one of these colors for the base and do like a nude tip, and I'm sure that your customers are going to be in awe of their press-on set. Speaking of fall, I hope that you guys are working on your new collections for the fall and for Halloween. If you have come out with your collection already, or if it's just in the works, then please tag me on Instagram. I love to see you guys' new sets and the things that you guys tag me in. You guys are so creative when it comes to new sets and collections, so I would definitely love to check it out. Also, I'm using the gold heart stickers from the Supply Palace. I will leave the link down below. The Supply Palace is actually our sister shop where I sell stickers, charms, pom-poms, you name it, we probably have it, and we have a lot more coming soon. So if you haven't followed me over there, then please do. I will also be doing nail tutorials coming pretty soon on that Instagram page, but this is basically how it came out. It's so I guess simple to just add a sticker to really any set and you just elevated a whole set. So I thought that this one just came out pretty cute, and of course going over it with my Sparkle & Co top coat. So guys, this is how all 6 swatches came out. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and stay till the end for some final thoughts from me. I will be coming out with a few more videos coming soon. I've just been trying to really sit down with myself and see how I'm going to record in a new space, but I will figure it out and I will be back on YouTube very soon. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing all the swatches, and again, a special thank you to Born Pretty. Honestly, Born Pretty is near and dear to my heart, just because I know that when I first started Pressaholic, I just didn't have the money to spend on gel polish, and it was a really tough time for me financially in my life, etc. And Born Pretty, you guys are just near and dear, and I really do appreciate you guys sending over your gel polishes, and I really do hope to feature Born Pretty in the future. So again guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any suggestions on upcoming videos that you guys want to see, please let me know. I think that I've just been having a little bit of creator's block from all of the moving and all the things that need to get done, and it's just been a whole lot. I hope that you guys liked the video. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.